Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best car emergency kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car emergency kits that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Ready America Emergency Kit. If you already have car emergency tools and accessories, the next step would be getting a kit with food and water to sustain you for 72 hours. The Ready America one includes protein bars, water packs, emergency blankets, and other things you might need when alone. Overall, the kit includes 33 pieces, including 2 safety light sticks and a poncho. There are also 2 2,400-calorie food bars and 12 water packs, which should be enough for 3 days. With the shelf life of 5 years, the Ready America Emergency Kit is great to have in your home, office, and car. The one thing to consider with this pack is that it doesn't make a one-time purchase. You'll probably need to replace or add some extra items over time, especially because the included ones might expire if you don't use them. Also, the backpack is rather small. If you want to transport the items frequently, you might want to get a more convenient backpack. Moving on at number 4. We have the Kolo Sports Roadside Emergency Kit. This is an all-around kit you'll want to have in your vehicle, especially if you're a new driver. It includes everything you need for different roadside situations, and it comes at a competitive price. You'll get a convenient and easy-to-use kit without spending a fortune. The collection includes a first aid kit with adhesive bandages, antiseptic towelettes, gauze pads, and much more. In case of an accident, you'll be able to use it for treating most minor injuries. There's also a kit with assistance tools such as triangles, battery booster cables, window breakers, and seatbelt cutters. This will allow you to handle dangerous situations immediately. You'll even get a bonus tool kit and a tire repair kit. All in all, you'll get 156 pieces to help you on the road at all times. Although very helpful in emergencies, the included tools are not of the best quality. If you need a sturdy high-end set, the Kolo Sports one may not be the best choice for you. We also noticed that the jumper cables are of low quality. They are good enough to transfer charge from a full battery to a dead one, but not for jump-starting your vehicle. At number 3, we have the Performance Tool Roadside Emergency Kit. This Performance Tool Roadside Emergency Kit is one simple yet beneficial kit that will pull you through a roadside emergency in case it's raining or snowing. It comes with a rain poncho and a snow scraper to help get the ice from your windshield. This kit will also come in handy if you need to jumpstart your battery or tow your vehicle. That's all thanks to the 8-foot Joom P-Start cables and bungee cords included in the package. You also get a pair of mechanic gloves. Every tool is pretty straightforward to use, including the portable tire inflator, which features an easy-to-read tire pressure gauge. If you happen to get stranded at night, you can use the freestanding reflective triangle to alert other drivers of your position, as well as the provided flashlight to maneuver your way through the darkness. Other useful tools that could help you with light mechanic work are slip joint pliers, a screwdriver, electrical tape, cable ties, and a snap blade knife. The downside of this kit is that it doesn't come with medical or first aid supplies. It also doesn't come with adequate survival equipment for an off-road driver or camper. Some of the tools provided, including the flashlight, are of poor quality. The carry case, however, provides enough room to add a few extra supplies such as band-aids, medicine, water, and duct tape. At number 2, we have the Roadside Emergency Assistance Kit. This car survival kit comes in a poly canvas duffel bag with extra space, so you can add extra items. It features 110 components, including a 64-piece first aid kit, heavy-duty jump cables, a tow strap, emergency blanket, a 12-in-1 multi-tool, flashlight, fire starter, bungee cords, and roadside warning sign. The jumper cables are easy to use, and they fit back into the bag without any hassle. The bag and all the items are high quality. The kit doesn't take up that much space, keeps your stuff organized, and comes with nearly everything you would need if you find yourself in a bind. Customer service is also really good. However, the first aid kit largely includes just generic items, and the flashlight is low quality. Also, the zipper on the bag isn't that great. And finally at number 1. We have the Lifeline Excursion Road 76-piece car kit. This auto emergency safety kit is licensed by the American Automobile Association (AAA) and meets strict testing requirements for safety. The Excursion Road Kit has 76 components, including an air compressor, tire inflator, booster cable, LED flashlight, an emergency warning triangle, screwdrivers and pliers, a utility knife, gloves, bungee cord, and bandages and other first aid kit essentials. The mini compressor is very handy, especially with the built-in pressure gauge. The fabric carrying bag is durable with a solid handle. Overall, it covers the basic necessities for long-distance driving and is very convenient and worth the price. It's small enough so it doesn't take up too much space but still provides most of the items you'd need in an emergency. However, there have been some complaints that the jumper cables are not that good. Also, the utility knife is not the best quality, and the whistle isn't very loud. The pliers are also a little low quality. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.